hence the reason we find when a string on the instrument, like let's say a string or any object or any sound that is created from a force, and an already established fundamental force that has fundamental tension. This already established tension, where there's notice that the ocean, if you have to replicate the ocean in art, you have to sort of look at the ocean not from a three-dimensional perspective that I am using right here, right? You have to cancel up, down, and you have to kind of look at things two-dimensionally. And when you look at things two-dimensionally, front, back, left, right, and you exclude up, down from the equation, and you look at the ocean from a two-dimensional perspective, you have to exclude up, down. You would notice that the light is really a byproduct of light and darkness mixture. It's light reflected on dark. I notice that what's creating the reflection in the ocean is the light, the brightness compared to the lightness. And this is what creates an optical, and this is how you have to replicate this on a canvas. Yeah, so art is, and another fascinating phenomenon with art is I notice that art tends to